This model kit review is of the Stearman Kaydet, or Kaydet, and it is a 1/72 scale model by Revell. Here are the dimensions, and here are some details about the plane. It's a training plane, and many people trained in it back in the day. Don't really see anything else. Let's have a look what we have inside. So that's a pretty small little plane. This looks like a very old model kit, or at least an old mold. And that's because all the modern molds, they have a sprue that goes all the way around. That protects the parts from falling off. So we have 4 sprues, if you include this little thing. Here's our fuselage, and with some detail there. It's all raised. Here's the underwing, the lower wing, and we have to sand that off. Here's the top wing and our right-sided fuselage. Here's our elevator, propeller. And then we have this engine here, classic radial engine. Molding quality here is not great. You can see little mold lines there, and little parts are flashing. We've got 2 pilots. This looks like this is our landing gear, and wheels here. We've got the struts. Again, you can see there, not great molding quality. Okay, here are the decals and instructions. So we've got a few decals here. They're quite nicely printed, and little details there. Here's some details here about the plane. And it looks like there's quite a bit of rigging to do on this small little plane. And here are the colors needed. And you need some thread here for rigging. Let's have a look here. We've got some parts listings. We start off with the pilots in their cockpits. We don't really have any detail in that cockpit at all. And looking at the other side here, you can see there's no real detail. They just sit on this little bench. So no instrument panel or anything like that. Then we've got our engine. Fuselage is put together. We'll put the bottom wing on, as well as our elevators, cockpits, windshields, engines mounted. Then you put on the struts, top wing is put on, and then landing gear there. That's all then mounted. Here is the painting and decal guide. So, all in all, it is a, well, here's the rigging guide here. That kind of shows you where to put the rigging. Looks like it just did single strands. I guess there's the double strand. So, all in all, older model kits, molding quality is not that great. Not a lot of detail. Decal's not bad.